Assemblyman Omujina area. Sam George Bombadima, hello, who's in it? Sam George Bombadima, Nunko, phoning you that 10,000. Assemblyman.
Mama Akwaba, wa friend me, Adjoa search me, Mesrel, now was subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news. Ebusan for Northton constituency for no moka and vetting who akoyen sembi blewa Ghana hanom no constituency and no moka se no mo say yaba beto aba no during assemblymen no mo abato no and a general election no and nye easy kra okuja to ablakwa expendi sika ini sika okuja to ablakwa expendi wo each person ho no enye easy na woman ka say NPP party ni party be omu serious na NPP omu serious na ho no ka just NPP is serious NPP party no omu serious crash serve ya na yet brofo lawyers doctors no de gu party ni mu ani omo ne e wo mse Ghana ha every 8 years bia nipa ho fon ombetu but NPP for aba we am we no mo awe ye na mo we no mo nim the reason why am awe ahoma so eye munde ena mo de akwakowe otumi di sika ma so mesese gena chema we o sika no menche na o de agu ne car boot me nko ame de party ni nko position na Ghana fo ahiafo mo brofo na NPP ba o munya benefit no o mo ho nchiro o mo nipa ba akunti no de sika na ahye no ho onkoche obi kura hia lorry fare no de akwakoto aba oya ose nti abato na edu nti so obi provide o sika ansa na wakoto na wo this time I say channel de agu car boot no nipa no ni sika no e bia mpampa na wo ni say Ghana ha ye wo obi wo hono ma the whole day no ni 10 pesos kwa da no a order kom munim nti sabato edu no obi kwakoto aba na wankasa wo ya ye no ma ni sika no nkoto na wo so mfa ma na no akwakoto a ne ha ni say wo obi discount ma o de agu car boot no bi individual no ope 100 cedis or 200 cedis no akwakoto am blame no mfa mu nsem fie so wo ma ni e kire say NPP fo wonye wo hu ni papa ablakwa eche sika e wo Northton no na NPP fo no mo afodi o mo arms na Northton no kra de ho ye voter regime bo a ho kra do chesko one chesko NPP berry but yen ka the other constituencies no na NPP fo ni me mo adona sa mo ba power mo be suyansa na mo ye be simo so ya na se mo di mo ewu kra wo yansa no afi NDC fo no kra de yan fo mo tonche because me politics no me shada me politics musa but I have come to realize say your friend is saying NPP fo ni subai omo your politics anyhow and na NDC for your politics nankasa ye party your politics wo Ghana ha ye NDC for NPP for desago no mudi also kuja tabla ko sika share enye sika ketwa yenti nsema e free Northton e buy
Adam for you.
For you know, cry. What simple? You never know. Oh, we are now pay. You have a friend say, Quia, Anna, Johnson. No, come Lawlessness. You know, I friend I won't come. But we say for the rest of the like,
yes, and some of the commentary from
Jesus
some of
Christ
us has been incredibly terrible. Ashasian ni ye insight a man for and then jadem here was a day anutum na.
And even this morning, someone on radio calling on
boys,
people of
Galamseyers against AGA. Look, in Central Juman,
and the military will kill you.
Because
military, they will kill you.
Look. Nipa security service.
To me be am I on radio so say I say
Ranti or more bossy say mon sorry nina na AGA for no be hamo mun to mo susa. How do you do that?
Yes, this morning.
Smart.
Huh? Yes, even smart. This morning he's on TV doing it.
No,
and not pay out.
Do that.
And even NDC Pennyford baby are calling on
because
media general to call him to order.
Organizer and then Jabarimo some be to anaya call. Oma hu de ekoso. Aye statement clearly shows that post-election management Bosha Edema Omono or Yenipa o me Galamsey ni say no matter radio so me hu say na boys ne kwa ha na bi mojo toilet we moju we moju
na de
yesu enye bibi na mre no so e be den ne mu mpanyin na odi eni mu po wonim no mpanyinfo omo no be di nkomo no say hwan na ekọ sector ministry
as at Saturday evening cry no ceremony AG for nkita hudi a Friday night Saturday no managing director no board members way, general managers. Obiako, it will call Anajua. It will presume say Opeso Kobo Chrono.
Exactly.
Opeso ye bibi. It's now some rented in Yabutre. Promises have been made. Omampani your mama. Washe Ganabo. Osi Oba tax will be ye fuel. On Jimmy Soriano pa no akoyi tax refuel. Eyemra. It obab kuchim radia komra sebeje fie. Betting tax. Wow, also within 120 days. Forcing, after forcing, yeah, betting was yes, they are within the limit, and they will see to it or my. And we are branching and I will say, Oba Penma must obey betting tax. Only, it was from Russia, who call betting company, no one, Akobubu or Muniama, because how can you do that? The impunity is too much.
Yeah, complicit in Simbia, you can't crowd room.
It doesn't make you extraordinary or special.
No, at all. And now I'm crying more Anglo Gold AG school or Munko school.
Now, Bako school, Tinam better Hanui. Now, Obwasi for Crassi, Omutim come on. Nami Kagum. The next minute, a theatre to you or Fasibi or Muniebi or near friend say, oh, my war fast, you know. It's a AG for in a year and the clash on a yabonny to you. What do I get?
You've lost everything. One on the second part of the post-election management, Yame any unconto troso. Yame any uncoboase, but the president has quickly released a statement. It goes away to show, say, it's caught his attention. I did we see at the time that the president and the security apparatus were in the region.
Yeah.
You need regional minister. Your regional coordinating director. Now no crowd of police in the how much region, Ashanti region, or much in Bear 3.
Much in Bear 3.
It's in the best commander will take charge of Manso Koboase Onino. Yes, sir. People quickly get to work. A reaction idea. Then Swanyaba. Yan journal. You are unable to do what you do with daily activities. See me shop or was meeting could be Waka Poriso. Oh, baby, oh, boss, a chichire, no,
Tobo,
and yet, they see there is something happening. I, a friend, see no evil, hear no evil. I was a black army, Miss Anna, my friend. I no pay or say, as a man, a parliamentary candidate, no, I can social media at that baby, no, or no, humbi. And Yaminga because a bra, ye day, I think. Upon say, or no, Attorney General for this republic, no. Ebisa and some the minority leader, Ebisa and say, nah, well, and now what to say, and this mebunu be, I shall see a cocoa places, Bisa or Moko J, and Yoma Free Crawford in the name of your friend Ura, or say, oh, ye, na on tea and so in Yaminga. Minya, and I'm Rahu, papa. Say a bit me ada sorry. Nanipa a mabunu do. And yes, I can't when she be no conya you name yamma etioso. Tay a coon. Ama a muba dear also a dia and sabia. Yapunya mempaye. Says any penny and one tom no mekayon. Niama busian so much or madishan so Yako and nano pay. Naminia. Baby, I mean, I just be just a free manum. You have a journalist in this country, and I should say, a senior one for that matter. Okasa Mebuti. A day in a shen kutu permanent me jina in studio. I know, Obama, you never do this. Now, Oka specifically said, a man telling you boom, and he mentioned Anglo Gold Ashanti. No munko amananas, no munko sadiomope. Oh, sir, your two baby Abia was in a context. It cannot be in any context. Ebema Sasem or kind. Whichever context you put it, it cannot be right. Because you cannot say what she won't say. Why are we in a lawless state? That is what is happening after these elections. NDC for what you offer senka studio ha bind the branch. Don't we have a president in this country? Statements be by issue issue say NDC mabuna moti atua na mo say nyoma na mo hihye adan munyai ebinsi bebia So they take it, say, yes, with impunity, they can do whatever thing that they want. Because ya buying and the was so. And no Nadia Baby Vine. Nakasimu say, na utimi, sorry, anopa. Aircon, we are so say, me, Konamako, Anglo, me, Quaco,